Okay guys, I'm gonna open the box now. It's kind of heavy this time, so we'll see what's going on. Right? Okay. Ooh, I think there might be shoes in here. So in the box, let me hold it up for you guys. So in the box, you get, this is what my box looks like. So in the box, you get your paperwork, bundle, and I think there's a pair of shoes or sandals in there. So let me open the paperwork here and see. I don't look at the card. It says, oh, hello. I don't really look at this because I don't want anything suede and I don't want to read what I got. It shows pictures of what you got, so I will show you guys, but I'm not going to look. I just want to see who my stylist is. Okay, so I have a new stylist. Her name is Kimberly, so we'll see how Kimberly does. Next, here is the price sheet right here. Turn this upside down. And we'll look at that last because I like to look at the price sheet last to I like to look at the price sheet last because I don't want anything to sway what, if I like something, the price of it. But let's get into it. Let's look at the shoes first. It feels heavy, this bag is. Hey guys, let's see what Kimberly had sent me in this bag for shoes. So here we go. I'm gonna bring you guys down a little bit so you can see. Okay, looks like booties. Oh, these are cute. They sent me these before, but I think they sent me, I don't know if they sent me these or I got these in another subscription box. They're really cute. They have an open toe. They have a nice wedge here, and then a zipper. They're really cute. But I don't know, I actually have a pair of Tory Burches that I like a lot. So we'll have to try these on and see how they look. But we'll put those off to the side. And let's get on to the bundle. Okay, so here's the bundle. Looks like I have some jeans in there. Something flowery, something black, a lot of black. So let's see. Let's open it up. I don't know, it's been rough lately. Okay. Okay, the first item I got here, it looks like a leather, like moto jacket. It's really cute. Let's read what it says. It is Bellem faux leather and Ponte jacket. Size extra small, RD style. It's cute. We'll see. I don't know. We see. I have a bunch of these. It has some leather, and then the back it's not. So I don't know. Next is a pair of skinny jeans. It looks like from. Let's see. Dark wash. Very stretchy, cute. These are 1822 denim winter skinny jean, indigo size 0. So we'll see. It looks like they're kind of really stretchy, so I don't know. Next is, ooh, it looks like a bodysuit top, off the shoulder. Cute. We'll see how it looks. And this is Stitchfix exclusive. It is pink clover. I'm gonna butcher this name. Solarino off the shoulder bodysuit, size extra small. It's really cute. We'll see. Okay, and then, all right, next here is a black top. It looks like it has, let me flip these back. Looks like it has a little opening right here. Just a plain black top, long. Let's see what it says. It is the Essential Keyhole Knit Top in black, size extra small. I don't know. We'll have to see. It's a cute box, but I'm not sure. I don't know if I like anything. Alrighty. So let's look at the price sheet. So before I try things on, I wanted to see, you know, how much the whole box would be and the pricing. The RD style, the faux leather jacket right here is $88. Essential Keyhole Knit Top. Ooh, this is $48. Wow. Okay. The peep toe boot in a size 8. Let me get them. I put them on the ground, sorry. These are actually not a bad price. They're $65. They're cute. Not bad. Next is the jeans. Actually, these are a really good price. They're $40. $40. We'll have to see how they fit, but wow, that's a deal. And then this bodysuit is $42. Okay, so the total for the box is $283 and $70 off with the 25% off if I buy all 5. Subtotal is $283, $20 off with my styling fee. Comes to $192.25. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is try everything on for you and we'll see what I like. Okay, keep watching, thank you. Okay guys, so here's the top. It's cute, but it's see-through. You could see everything in this top. Here are the jeans. They're really cute, but they're just like too big. So I might have to downsize a little bit to a 24 in jeans because it seems like everything they're sending me is just too big. They're cute though. I also, let me bring you down here. Let me just show you. These, actually, hold on. So this is the top. It's really cute, but like I said, you can see through it. Let me show you the shoes. Hold on one second. Okay guys, here are the shoes. They're quite cute. I had to roll the jeans up, as you can tell. They're really nice. I'm not sure if I want to keep these, but we'll see. Okay, those are the shoes. Okay, so here's the black top. It's cute. I like the little peekaboo here. It's really cute. So it fits nice. It's low on the front, comes up on the sides, and then it goes low in the back. This is a really cute top. It's actually, you know, really flattering on me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. So, let's go to the next item, which is the jacket, the leather jacket, and then we'll see what's good. Okay, so here is the black jacket. It's actually really cute and it fits fairly well. Let's zip it up and see what it looks like. It looks really cute with the black top. I don't know if it would be something I would wear right now. I mean, it's cute for work, but I really am digging this black top right here. So, yeah, leave in the comments what you think that I should keep, but I'm leaning towards this black top right here. The shoes are really cute. They're a good price, but I already have a pair of Tory Burch peep toe shoes. The jeans are a little bit too big. This jacket is really cute with this top, so maybe I'll request it in another fix. But I will let you guys know names of items as I go in the little bar here. And then you can catch my other videos. I do other video unboxings and subscription unboxings. I'll leave them at the top. And then, but I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you. And see you at the next fix.